Let's become friends. I'm the creator of Clicksin. Right now I'm just me and my laptop. And a big idea. To allow you to set up your online store as easily as one click. It's good to have friends when you have ever realized that progress is slow or non-existent. This video series is tailored for you. You are going to benefit from my progress. With Clicksin, you can copy any product from Amazon or Shopify and import it in less than 3 seconds in your favorite platform. Let's say I really like this Amazon octopus. So I'm using the Clicksin Chrome extension to export the product and import it into my Shopify store. By the way, what is your mood actually? Blue or purple? With you. In the coming weeks, we will explore how to create a one-click online store solution. May I ask you to leave your thoughts, like and subscribe. It's important to build our friendship. It's a beginning of a long friendship.